Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will give you some healthy tips to improve English speaking language, to improve the fluency in English, to be comfortable and confident to speak this language. First of all, one whosoever is interested in learning this language has to have an interest, liking, and love toward this language. Trust me, this is one of the easiest and one of the beautiful language which once you speak, once you will be able to speak, you will encourage love, liking automatically, and you will understand the beauty of this language. Of course, whosoever is interested in learning this language has certain importance for this language. So here my first healthy tip for this language for the beginners. Initially, don't jump to learn or to speak English sentences. First of all, try to use English words in whichever language you are speaking. Like if you're speaking Hindi, Punjabi, let me give you an example. In if you're speaking Hindi language, आप ये कहेंगे मेरा खाना मेज़ पे रख दो. इसके इस सेंटेंस के अंदर टू वर्ड्स देर आर टू वर्ड्स फर्स्ट इज खाना दैट यू कैन यूज और substitute this word for English word meal, and the second word is maize, table. Use the word table. मेरा meal table पे रख दो. This is the first beginning of learning this language. So what you have to do is, if you are speaking or have an English environment, if you are a school student, college student, then or you have studied in English medium schools, then it's perfectly fine. You, in your memory, in your brain, you're having a lot of English words. But if you have not studied, or not, if you are not into, if you were not into that environment of English speaking around you, then of course take a pen, take a paper, write English words. Like I'm sitting in a room and I can see darwaza, door, table, whatever things I can see, and just write those all things in a notepad or a copy. And if you don't know, search it out, the English of those words. Then wherever you are sitting, in your house, in your office, in your work, wherever, move out and give a round of the nearby place, maybe your house, and then whichsoever thing you are looking, just write it down. Or if you are into English environment, then there is no need to write. Just give a round of your house and then सिंपली इन योर माइंड मेमोराइज. ये पर्दे नहीं है, कर्टन है. ये टेबल नहीं, मेज़ नहीं है, टेबल है. ओके, ये गालीचा नहीं, ये कारपेट है. ये बर्तन नहीं, ये यूटेंसिल है. इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में बर्तन तो रहेंगे वो, आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग. एंड देन यू try to use English words whichever language you are speaking. Now the second step is very simple, very easy. आपको I will show you how easy this language is. मेरा खाना मेज़ पे रख दो. Let's take that one sentence. खाना मील, मेज़ टेबल. अब उसके बाद आपने क्या देखना है, इंग्लिश किसकी, मेरा, माय, रख दो, कीप या पुट. सो हमारे सेंटेंस में हमने 4 वर्ड सीख लिए, माय, टेबल, मील, पुट. उसके बाद तो रह जाएगा सिर्फ हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. इज, आर, एम, आई, एन, जी, वॉज, वर. पास्ट सेंटेंस है तो वॉज वर लगेगा, प्रेजेंट है तो इज, एम, आर लगेगा, हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स विल, शैल है तो फ्यूचर लग जाएगा. तो इन अ वे आपका जो स्पीकिंग है एक सेंटेंस की वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. ओके, तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट tip, healthy tip, or learning towards this language. So stay tuned, follow my videos. Daily I will come up with some new tips, some new healthy ideas to improve this English, along with my fitness routine and healthy diet tips and recipes and lot more. The more you support, the more new and good videos I will share with you. Thank you.